The young boy, known only as Marcel, was thought to be playing hide and seek with his 5-year-old sister while his parents napped on June 18. Local media say Marcel climbed into the washing machine in Slupsk, a city in Poland's northern region of Pomeranian Voivodeship. Marcel reportedly climbed in the washing machine inside the bathroom and managed to lock himself inside. His parents began to search for him when they could no longer hear him playing. His father, who has not been named, found Marcel locked inside the washing machine in the bathroom and immediately called an ambulance. When paramedics arrived, the little boy's condition was already critical, and paramedics performed resuscitation for almost 1.5 hours before intubating him and transporting him to a nearby hospital. However, despite their best efforts, Marcel died 6 hours later. An autopsy revealed that the little boy had died from suffocation due to lack of oxygen in the washing machine. Read more top stories from mirror.co.uk. According to local media, public prosecution has begun an investigation into the incident, and his parents could be accused of involuntary manslaughter. For now, they are in the care of psychologists as they are too distraught for them to be questioned yet.